Hello everyone, it's Mary from Mary's Kitchen MTL. Today we are making baked bomboloni. Bomboloni are amazing Italian filled donuts. They can be filled with your favorite cream, jelly, jam, or Nutella. I am a Nutella lover, so mine will be filled with Nutella. I will show you how easy it is to make them. Here is my recipe. Begin by adding 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast and 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar to 1 1/4 cups of lukewarm whole milk. Stir and let it rest for 5 minutes until bubbles form on the surface. Next, sift 2 cups of all-purpose flour into your stand mixer bowl. Combine half a cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of kosher or sea salt. Attach the paddle and mix to blend just a little. In a small bowl, whisk 2 large eggs at room temperature and add them to the dry ingredients. Add 1/4 cup of unsalted melted butter and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Mix just a little. Do not overmix or your dough will become crumbly. Now add in the yeast, sugar, and milk mixture. Mix for 2 minutes on medium speed. Sift the remaining 2 cups of flour while the mixer is running. Remove the paddle and add in the flour. Attach the hook and continue mixing for 20 minutes on medium speed. Scrape down the bowl with a rubber spatula as needed. This dough is elastic and sticky to the touch. Preheat your oven to 100 degrees and then turn it off once the temperature reaches 100. Grease a large bowl with soft butter and transfer the dough into the bowl. Using a pastry cutter, fold the dough onto itself 8 times while rotating the bowl. Cover with plastic wrap and a kitchen towel. Place it inside the warm oven and leave the light on. Let the dough rise for 1 hour or until it has doubled in size. Once it has doubled, grease your fingers with soft butter and transfer the dough onto your work surface. Flatten it a little with your fingers and then with a rolling pin. Roll out into 15 inches wide by 11 inches long and 1/2 inch thick. Cut out the donuts using a 3-inch round cookie cutter. Cut out the center with a 3/4 inch round piping tip. Remove the scraps and set them aside to shape more donuts. Place the donuts on 2 trays lined with parchment paper and space them out evenly. Shape and flatten the scraps of dough and continue to cut more donuts. Shape a round bun with the last piece of dough. Preheat the oven once again to 100 degrees and then close the temperature. Place both trays inside the warm oven and leave the light on. The donuts will rise for 1 hour or until they have doubled in size. Once they have puffed, remove them from the oven and place them on your counter. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake one tray at a time on bottom rack for 20 minutes. Allow the donuts to cool for 30 minutes and then sprinkle powdered sugar on top. Fit a pastry bag with a sharp tip and pipe Nutella in the center. This recipe produces 19 bomboloni and 1 delicious bun. These homemade donuts are an explosion of deliciousness when you bite into one. They are incredibly soft, light, and fluffy. They are best eaten the same day. Leftovers can be refrigerated in an airtight container for 1 or 2 days at the most. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.